All right, so we are here. Yo, let me tell you straight up, I was a really bad co-driver. Usually I'm good with co-driving,
Yes, he
but
was.
yeah, man, he was trying to talk to me. I kept hearing him saying stuff, but like I had my headphones on. I was literally trying to edit, bruh. I was just like, yo, let me get this editing in. But he was talking. I wasn't even listening to what he was saying, to be quite honest. Actually, there's something I want to show you guys. You guys did realize that I always try to go to the gym, whether to get a run in. You know, like when you're cooking so much food all the, sorry, cooking so much food. Sorry. Cooking so much food all the time and you're just eating, and you're trying different places from food reviews, you're bound to start putting on weight. And I'm not getting younger. So I've been going to the gym trying to get some run in. And sometimes I do get muscle aches, you know what I'm saying? After about 48 hours, I don't know if any of you work out, after about 48 hours, you feel the muscles starting to ache. Of course, your muscles are tearing and they're redeveloping and all that crap. So I got this product from this really cool company called Recover Fund. And I actually wanted to test it out this weekend. It's something that I always wanted. It's like a massager kind of gun. I've seen these stuff like all the time on Instagram. Yo, it seems pretty cool to be quite honest. So it's like a massaging gun where you can use it on all your muscle areas and thing, which I find pretty cool. If you guys could take a look there. So I'm gonna unbox this really quick and we'll see how good this really works. Alright, so let's get to unboxing these. I believe the market price of something like this is around, it's just about $100, close to it. I'm gonna put everything in the description box so that you guys can find it if you are interested in using something like this. I'll put any promotional codes that I can get for you guys in there as well. Ooh, all right. I wasn't expecting this, Kurt. This is pretty cool. It actually comes in a case,
Nice.
which is cool. Actually, I got this as a gift from Recover Fund, but I'm actually gonna get one for myself and pass this one off to Kurt because he's been such a great friend. So I'm gonna give him. Yeah, I apologize for my foot being up there, but it's whatever. So Recover Fund Plus, that's the one that I got. Oh, okay. Of course, there's a lot of instructions. I generally don't read instructions, to be quite honest, until I get into a very difficult spot. These, as I saw in the picture, these seem like they are, what you call it, some kind of different attachments that you can add. Maybe that I'll definitely read up on. Comes in this really nice bag. And to be quite honest, this got sent out to me really quick. I'm feeling the weight of this and it honestly feels very sturdy. You know, I like stuff like this. Whenever I buy any form of gadget, weight is very important. If I can feel some nice weight to it, I'm automatically starting to think that it's of good build quality. All right, so let's take a look here. It's got the plug part. Honestly, it'd be really cool if it doesn't need a plug, but I think it will. Let's see what this is here, and this is another attachment and something here. Alright, so I'm gonna try to plug this in really quick. So I just had to like quickly stop because I was like, when I felt the weight of this thing, I was like, there's no way this could be $90. So I did check on the website. The original price is like $360. It's about $369, and I think the market price you can get it for now is about $160, whatever. So that's around the range, and it does feel like that, just the weight alone. So I'm gonna turn. Oh, so there are power indicators at the back. I wonder if that's showing like charging. Let me unplug this thing. Oh, it's like I thought, because I was just like, it's kind of, in today's world, having things plugged in is very annoying. But when you actually have like you know, the option to carry something somewhere, I think that's great. And this does have the option, so it does have a battery meter here. Red is when it's dying, obviously. And yeah, as I said, I haven't really read the instructions much, but let's see. So this, I'm guessing. Oh, wait. All right, wait. All right. All right, so most of these stuff, to be quite honest, you don't even have to read the instruction manuals because it's very straightforward. So if you look here, I'm guessing that red means that it's definitely dying, and then these are the battery meters. I'm guessing. Whenever you guys get your own, you can read it. But then, of course, here, the blue, that's showing like the level of massage that's going to be happening there. So that's pretty cool. Does this... I don't think it needs any form of pop or lock mechanism because it's only going back and forth, I believe. But I'm just looking at it good. And this is a great thing with any product, guys. When you are able to understand it without having to do a lot of research, I mean, you can never go wrong with that. So let's start on this level here. Oh, whoa. Kurt. Bro, this is on the lowest level, guys. Yo, bring your hand here, bro.
It's like a deep tissue, right?
Yeah. So this... So you tell me how it feels, right?
Oh shit. That's intense. That's a low level?
That's the lowest level. Do you think you can manage another level?
Go ahead.
Alright, one more up.
Oh wow.
That's second level. You got 3 more to go. Can you go 3?
Go ahead. Alright, that's for the back.
Oh my god. Yo. Oh. What?
Yeah, that's for the back.
Bro, this is bomb, bruh. Okay, and obviously, to turn it off, you just hold it down. As I said, I like how they made this thing very intuitive. You don't have to think too hard in how to use this damn thing. It's very easy. So once you hold down the power button for a couple seconds, it turns off. So, I mean, that's easy. This product is very straightforward. And as I said, guys, for the price, like, this is definitely worth the price because the level of... All right, let me be very honest. I recently bought a massager, a back massager. I think I spent about $30 on it, and probably the I don't think the first intensity is as high as this one. This is definitely worth the money. And what I like about this, you have the ability to target specific areas on the back or stuff like that. That is really, really good. Whoa. All right, let me try it on my leg. That's why I kind of put my foot up here, because I want to try it on my leg to see what it feels like. And of course, as I said, there's other attachments. So let's try it on the leg. Oh. Oh. Oh.
All right, bro.
Bruh. Ooh. No. Can I keep this? Bro. Oh, snap. If you guys look, you'll see that the muscles, even as far as down here, the vibration is just going out there, bro. Ooh. Kurt, I'm impressed, bro.
I knew it was going to be good on my brother.
Oh, snap. That's only the first level, bro. Ooh. No, this is worth the money, guys. Oh. Oh. Honestly, I'm not even exaggerating. That was...
You don't have to press down on it, right?
You do have to kind of put a little pressure to it so that it, it gets to the muscle, but wow. This
Right up under that scapula.
Huh?
Under the scapula, that's gonna be like...
This is good, bro. The only thing I think though, with a product like this, you definitely might need someone else.
Oh, yeah.
For the back.
For the back.
So for your leg area, like I will use it for after the gym and stuff like that, it's gonna be perfectly fine. I can do that on my own. But for the back, I think you could do the same thing. Let's test it out for the back. But like your lower back.
Lower
Sometimes.
back. Yeah.
What did I do? All right.
That's right.
Oh gosh. Oh. can hear the vibration in my voice, you know. That's how you know that the vibration power of this thing is immense. It sounds like I'm T-Pain. Yo, this is actually a really fun product, yo. This is really fun. All right, it says, please, it says press under the arrow to replace battery. All right, I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm sure you can interchange the batteries after a while. But yeah, these rechargeable batteries seem to be perfectly fine. This product, I definitely back it, and I would say it is one of the best on the markets, because I do have a massager back at home, and this one, I think this one definitely beats it 100%. Definitely worth the value for the money. It does have these other attachments, so depending on what you want to do, you are going to be able to switch those up and get a different feel. So if this ball, because this ball is a little bit firmer, if you want to get a more low impact massage mechanism, this one, you can see, punches in. So you're going to get more of a low impact. This one might do, you know, for different parts of the body. There's a lot of stuff that you could probably check out if you read the manual like I didn't. Yo, guys, this is what I expect from a company and user manuals, not the 10,000 million words. Like, this user manual is so easy to understand. Frequency, power switch, battery indicator, those stuff are already mentioned to you. Yeah, and it shows you really quick. Super soft head. For any part of the body, flat head for any part of the body. Fork head, this part they said is for the neck and the neck and spine. I love this. I love the fact that do you see the instruction manuals from my damn camera?
Yes.
There was just like books upon books upon books upon books upon books, and this instruction manual is just so simple. Just matter of fact, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that includes the covers of the damn thing. I love this. I'm gonna actually send this right now to some of my friends on Instagram who I know are gym junkies. This is gonna be a very great recovery tool, and exactly like the name says, it's recover fun. You see my excitement actually using the product. It was very fun to use. All right, guys, that's gonna be basically end my little gift to you guys, showing you a great product for this Christmas that you guys can send out to your family or even outside of Christmas. I definitely had fun using this one. I wonder if they want to send me another one. Honestly, I am gonna ask, bro, because I want this. Anyway, guys, it was fun doing this review for you guys. But remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link. Alright, guys, welcome back to Second and Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So my boy actually went through the whole treachery of going to the Chick-fil-A line. Like, I never knew. Well, he was the one who told me that. Yo, how many persons said were there?
Well, 20.
20 persons in the line?
Yep.
For a sandwich? Yo, it's ridiculous. But anyway, we got what I've been wanting to try for quite some time. So let's see in the bag. I think I ordered, what did I get? The chicken sandwich?
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Oh, you got this for yourself? The mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, god damn it, bro. Like, I wish I had told you to get me one. But anyway, that's the least. So, let's dig into the bag really quick and see what's popping with that, because I don't know. I want to try them food out. So, the people talk about Chick-fil-A as if it's some form of, like, I guess it's like a food cult. I don't know. You guys drop in the comments and let me know if you are a big Chick-fil-A. Ooh. I think it's time for me to shut up, because